RedShift handheld fiber laser welding machine using the latest generation of fiber laser, collocated with independent research and development of the welding head. Fill the blank of the handheld welding laser equipment industry and is simple in operation. Beautiful welding speed, no material advantages. The thin stainless steel plate, iron plate, galvanized sheet, such as metal material welding, can perfect or place traditional argon arc welding and welding, etc. Handheld laser welding machine can view idly, used in cabinet, kitchen, stairs, elevators, shelves, ovens, stainless steel doors and windows guardrail, distribution box, stainless steel home and other industries complex irregular welding process.